Let's review two important outside purchase screens, the end of day and the unsold screen. These two screens should be a part of your end of day process. These screens assist with keeping your vendor invoices organized. Find and click Outside Purchase. Here you will find the two screens we will be looking at today, End of Day and Unsold. We will begin with the Unsold screen. Click on Unsold to get started. This screen shows a list of items on an outside purchase that have not yet been added to an invoice. These items are just sitting on the outside purchase and either need to be sold, received, or returned so that it can be finalized and vendor invoices can be generated. Clicking on the doc number in the grid will bring you to the related outside purchase. In this case, the core is an item where after we get the new one, we return the old one. This will give us a credit. To simulate this process, click the return icon to the far right of the column. Once the item has been returned, it will show up in the bottom of the grid in red. From here, add the vendor credit invoice number to the returned item and click Save Lines. It's important to note that the vendor invoice number does not need to match the original item's vendor invoice number. Next, we will move on to the End of Day screen. Click the End of Day to get started. This screen shows a list of items that do not have a vendor invoice number. Adding these will allow our system to finalize these vendor invoices. The goal is for this list to be empty, or as short as possible. Over the course of the business day, you should be collecting hard copies of vendor invoices when items are delivered. Since the work order number is used as the PO when ordering parts, it should be simple to flip through your stack of paperwork to find the document needed. Simply find the document, type the invoice number into this screen, then click Save Lines at the top right. As you go through this process, the list will instantly start to get shorter and shorter. An empty list is a happy list. Well, that's it. We hope that between the Unsold screen and the End of Day screen, managing your outside purchases will be easier than ever. Just remember, do this every day to keep the list from becoming overwhelming. And after going through this process a few times, you'll be an outside purchase aficionado.